Imagine transforming chaos into clarity in project management. It's possible with the right tools and approach. D'Addario, a family-owned giant, stands as the world's largest manufacturer of musical instrument accessories today. With over 1,100 employees and products in 120 countries, they're a beacon of industry expertise and innovation. Yet despite their success, D'Addario faced hurdles in project management that hindered their momentum and potential growth. Jennifer Verdi-Cohen led the charge, determined to improve efficiency and transparency in managing their projects at D'Addario. Before, teams maintained their own lean boards, causing confusion and delays in obtaining project status updates. Jennifer sought a holistic solution and found teamwork.com, a platform promising better visibility and streamlined collaboration. Adopting new software isn't just about tools, it's about nurturing growth through team buy-in and effective training. Now with teamwork.com, teams collaborate seamlessly, tracking project progress from conception to launch with newfound clarity. D'Addario's journey illustrates that with the right systems in place, any company can transform chaos into well-orchestrated success.